Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account, now start building. First, pick a trigger that matches the event you need: email received, SharePoint item created, form response, or a scheduled time. Once done, select Create and choose Automated, Instant, or Scheduled Flow. Make sure to name it clearly so you recognize it later. Then add the trigger configuration. Specify mailbox, list, form ID, or schedule frequency. This gets the flow listening for the exact event you'll automate and prepares the canvas for actions. Now add the actions that perform work after the trigger. You might get items from SharePoint, parse JSON, compose values, or create conditions and apply to each loops. Use variables and expressions when you need to manipulate text, dates, or arrays. Expressions let you format, split, or compute values dynamically. Once a section is complete, save and run test with sample data to confirm behavior. Make adjustments to action settings or loops until the outputs match expectations, which reduces errors later. Finish by adding final actions. Send notifications, update records, or log results. Implement error handling using configure run after, scopes, or a try/catch pattern so failures are captured. Save and turn on the flow, then monitor runs history and analytics to verify success rates. If something fails, check the failed run details. Inspect trigger output and action inputs for nulls, schema mismatches, or missing permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: replay with sample data after adjusting a schema or expression to confirm the remedy works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.